guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS EXOMNIAC Cushion NSRC. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. And let's go. So today we've got to look at the ADIDAS EXOMNIAC Cushion NSRC. We've got this in the core black colorway in the UK size 8. It's European 42 and it's US 8.5. Box in. It's a really cool wrapper here. Funky, it reminds me of like the Raven scenes, which this sneaker is based on. Look here. So we will start with the outsole. So this outsole is a full rubber outsole. You got that torsion system there to keep your stability and to keep your posture, I guess. Well, this sneaker is designed for raving and dancing, which I'll get into in a moment. And you got the ADIDAS foam logo there also. So you got all the traction patterning here. Midsole, as I mentioned before, is the ADIDAS all around, and then you got this cushioning system as well. So if you look, it says EXOMNIAC cushion right there on the heel. So that's part of the insole and the ADIDAS midsole unit also. So this upper incorporates a mix of materials. So you have bits of leather, and you can see all the textile, nylon, and all the plastics. So around there's bits of ripstop that make a free stripe at the toe box area, and bits of the body. You've got a strip here in the mid of the sneaker that is made of leather, keep the shape. And just a little bit of description for you guys. So on ADIDAS' website, it said that this EXOMNIAC was influenced by the raving scene, the dance scene. Obviously, this is around the 90s culture here in England. More predominantly, it was in Manchester where all the raves were happening. It's at Manchester, so you have all that, all those underground raves, and people were extensively wearing like Adi. Loads of people were wearing Adi back in the day, with it being the classics, you know, the football terrace, or will be something similar, something really sporty right there to keep you dancing the whole night and even the day away. So that's the bit of history as to what sneaker means to the culture. And you got the NSRC. What it means is no sleep rave club. And you got, if you were to look at the midsole, not the midsole, the tongue is nice and padded. You got rope laces there. It says EXOMNIAC. Obviously, it's a play with words on insomniac when you can't sleep. Very heavily padded on the inside as well. And if you look at the back of the tongue, I mean, that's where I clocked where NSRC means no sleep rave club. I like the design, very 90s for me. If I didn't know better, this is like something the Spice Girls would wear. Or if you were, again, raving in that Manchester scene, which, well, I was too young to be part of. I was only a wee child when I was back then. If you look at the back, not a lot of detailing. You got your leather panels there. Also the inside, the insole, you got all that graphics, it's funky prints. Again, it's a synthetic insole, and you got the ADIDAS NSRC logo there also. That runs some other review. If I didn't know any better, I think this is a proper sporty running sneaker, but as I mentioned before, this is influenced by the raving scene. Big up all the ravers and all that, and can't wait to show you a bit of dancing with these on. So roll that footage of me trying these EXOMNIACs on for you.